Hey everyone, thanks for joining me today on this windy day in Chicago, meaning Addison, Illinois, northwest suburbs of Chicago. So here we are today at mgmclassiccars.com. My name is Thomas, as you know. Thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. If you didn't, go subscribe. Go to YouTube, punch in MGM Classic Cars, hit the subscribe button so you can get all my videos as these things come in. This is a gorgeous 67 RS SS Camaro that I got in from down south. Again, sorry for the windy day. Beautiful paint job on the car. Really nice black rally stripes all around. Real RS car. As you can see, the reverse lights are on the bottom panel. If you didn't know, that's how a regular SS or even a regular Camaro would not have the reverse lights in the back panel on the bottom unless they were installed, but that would be a lot of work. Anyway, nice chrome, excellent stripes, nice glass, power antenna that does function. American Racing upgraded torque thrust great wheels, 4-wheel power disc brakes, and the paint job on the car is really nice. You can definitely see the reflection in the paint. I know it says 350, but when I pop the hood, you're going to see a little bit. It's going to resemble a 350, but it's something else. Nice chrome bumper in the front, nice rear spoiler, excellent grille. All the emblems are good. You got the dual sport mirrors on both sides. Nice vertical strips all around, and all the trim around the windows are in excellent condition. A little custom piece there on the back deck lid. Awesome car. Nice staggered setup on the wheels. So underneath this car is a whopping 12-bolt. You got Caltrak set up for the upgraded parts for the rear suspension. New gas tank. Let's check out the trunk here. Both quarters replaced. They did an excellent job on it. You got your spare tire, jack assembly, and your Optima red battery. Here's the power antenna there. So anyway, excellent job. Nice on the weather stripping all around. And yes, people, this is where you put the gas. Unscrew it, put your gas there. Some guys don't know, and that's okay. All you need to know is to be told that one time. Nice lenses in the rear. So chrome door handles are nice. Again, the verticals, the dual sport mirrors, windshield wipers do function. Everything functions on my car. And I'll go over the punch list because this is my inspection video and then in my inspection test drive. So let's pop the hood and check it out. All right, here we are. Bam! Really nice setup, guys. Really clean, ready for the shows, outperforms. Obviously, 383 stroker motor, aluminum headed, upgraded with the headers, nice chrome valve covers, Holley air filter, Edelbrock aluminum intake, and a quick fuel carburetor, 4-bill. This is a serpentine belt system, vintage air conditioning, Be Cool aluminum radiator. Look at how all the lines are done really nice and tucked away. MSD digital 6AL setup on the ignition. Huge fan for overheating. Issues if you had them in this one, you're not going to. And if you do in your vintage classic muscle, get the Be Cool radiator. That's the way to go. It's going to stay cool, and it is cool. Check out that insert for the 68 front core support here. Isn't that nice? Painted real nice. Nice sand and buffed out. Check that out. Really super cool. So let's check out the interior now. Sorry about the windy day again. Door lips are nice. Door jambs are nice. New panels. Original bucket seats. So here's the wear and tear, which I am also going to go over. This is some wear and tear here. This could be fixed if needed. Upgraded with the tilt chrome setup on the steering column. 3-spoke aluminum steering wheel. Really nice back seat. There's your custom deck lid. Tight headliner. Eee, baby. The light bulb is burnt out. So, okay. So I'm going to put that on my punch list and get that taken care of because I like selling the cars that are 100% transparent. This car right now is showing 44,970 miles. That's believed to be original. Well, believed to be. I believe it. The car's that clean, but here's the thing. There's no documentation, so take it as you want. Tilt wheel, as you can see, up and down. You got upgraded Pioneer CD AUX for your phone stereo system. It's all working. Nice, beautiful factory center console with all your gauges there. Pioneer radio. Not the best installation. You know, there is a little gap here, so I would buy a cover and cover that and do it right on both sides. So whoever had it before, that's how they did it. But anyway, you got your speedometer, okay? You got your tach, and then your clock. Look at that. It works. The clock works. Excellent dash pad all around. Nice sun visors, like I did say about the headliners. Nice. And these things, you know, I got to get them to open. It takes two hands. But anyway, that's all there. It's all good. Vintage air conditioning, okay? And there's your controllers for your heat and defrost. And yes, it does work. Nice Chevrolet black factory mats. And then there's your controller, your remote control for your radio, for your Pioneer radio. Okay, so anyway, here is what I do. I do an inspection. Here's my 68 Camaro, stock number 188. Okay, so we went over the whole car, right? Now here, no horn. It's not working. It's not working. Okay, I'm fixing that. Temp gauge inoperable. Right here, it's not currently working. And then obviously the dome light that I shared with you earlier, not working. So these three things I will fix before the car gets delivered to you, okay? Everything else works, and I'm gonna go over that. Okay, you hear the fuel pump, a couple pumps. There she is. All right, so here's your RPM tech. Okay. Oh yeah, got a little, as you can see, that does function. So here is the left turn signal, your right turn signal. And when we hit this, okay, we're gonna open that. That's for the wipers. Well, that's for the wipers, as you can see there. Lights, boom. That should open the RS doors. And let's see. Yep, they're open and they do work. Now we're gonna go back and we're gonna hit the button and make sure that they close properly. So, boom, push that in. Let's go back and check it out. There you go. All right, so now you know that the RS door lights, headlights work. They are electric. They have been upgraded. Let's listen to the exhaust. Woo, it's windy. Let's listen to the motor. All right, we're gonna go for a ride. It's getting cloudy, look at that. This car has been detailed, wet sanded, buffed out, and it's got paint correction on it. So this is as clean as it's ever gonna get. It's awesome. Let's go for a ride. So keep in mind, guys, this was a factory air conditioned car, and now it's got the vintage chrome air conditioning set up on it, and everything does work. Sounds real nice. One thing I didn't mention yet is the transmission. This has a 4L60 Overdrive automatic transmission, which is perfect for the freeway. And guess what? That's where we're going. Guys, honestly, you want a quality classic car? This is it. This is it. This is a no headache, no problem car. Obviously, besides the three things that I mentioned, and obviously we'll fix, okay? That's why I do my inspection reports, because be honest with you, 99% of my sales are online. Here we go. It steers super tight, super nice. Handles excellent. All the bushings, you know, everything looks like it's been replaced. It takes bumps very well. There's no squeaking noises inside the cockpit. What else do you want? Woo! And this thing down kicks and goes. We're doing 72 miles an hour. This thing goes straight down the road. We got to get back to the shop. It is sprinkling a little bit here. So listen, guys, need delivery? Email me or text me your zip code. I'll get you a quote. We do open and enclose across the country and throughout the world. If you need financing and your credit score is between a 650 and a 725, go to JJ Best. Call Chris Laganelli at 508-415-1035. If your score is 725 and above, you got a no money down option at lightstream.com. So 2 different banks. Rewind it if you didn't hear me the first time. Listen to it and take care of your application. First, call me and make sure that this beautiful Pro Touring car is available. I mean, really, you're talking 383 stroker, air conditioning, 12-volt, Overdrive 4L60, 12-volt posi, Caltrax, suspension bushings have been redone. It's got that vintage look to it still. Tilt wheel, radio, all ready. Let's do this. Let's do this, guys. Treat yourself. Life is short. Who knows what's going to happen tomorrow? I mean, with all this going on in this world today, spend your money. Enjoy yourself. This is an investment. You're not going to lose money. Look what Camaros have been priced at in the last 5 years. They've gone up 30%. Man, is this awesome. My name's Thomas. MGMClassicCars.com is where I'm at. I'm a one-man show. Okay? I pay attention to detail. I pay attention to quality and not to quantity. Call me if you're ready to buy. Text me or email me if you have questions. My number is 847-848-1850. Again, call me if you're ready to buy at that number. Text me or email me if you have any questions. Please read my full description. And obviously you're watching my video. We're back at the warehouse. This is where I keep all my cars. They are all owned by me. I really do not consign any cars. I put my money where my mouth is. Call me, text me, mgmclassiccars.com.